Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to log in Windows 11 operating system when your keyboard is not working. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go. First of all, just click at here. Okay, here we find our password and login. Just go to the here. Here we find accessibility. Here we find one option, accessibility. Just click on the accessibility. And here we find on-screen keyboard. Here we find on-screen keyboard. Just click on the on-screen keyboard. And here is our on-screen keyboard. Just go to the password and just click on the password at here and just type your password. Just type your password. Okay. We can see our password from here. Okay. And just click on here and just log into your Windows 11 operating system. Just click at here and you can log into your Windows 11 operating system. So guys, this is the simplest way to log in Windows 11 operating system when your keyboard is not working. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.